Hey guys, this is Pete. Just coming at you with a little unboxing video today. Got the new, well, not exactly new, but it's new to me, Dewalt 577. It's the rear handle saw. I already got the DCS578. It's got a little rafter hook there. Right blade saw. Very nice, trusty. So, I went out and got one of these so that I can have a blade that goes each way. And this one has a very nice rafter hook. Since you see I'm doing trusses today. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, so, there we go. There we go. Looks like a beast. Battery goes right in there. Yeah. Very impressed so far. It's got a very nice rafter hook on there, like I was saying. It's a little bit bigger than the other one that is. Yeah, just if you guys are buying this, there's a little treat in the bottom here. Don't throw your box out too quick. There we go. Instruction manual. Saws are pretty basic, but there might be some information in there that I can use. Alright, let's try it out. So yeah, this one uses the flex volt battery system. It's the 20 volt, 60 volt flex volt. This one's got the 9 amp hour. You can get a 12 or 6. I think you can even get lower than that. Yeah. It lasts quite a while. And this saw, I don't use more than 2 batteries a day, or like very heavy cutting. So, alright, battery goes right in there. Like that. Very straightforward. Yeah. I'm just gonna put this blade on here. Wow, she's a beauty. Got the diamond knockout already. I don't think you need for this saw, but so you got the blade change tool right there. Button to depress here to lock it up. Okay. So this one actually turns the opposite way because you got the blade on the other side. Was threaded the other way, it would unscrew itself. So it's got reverse thread. Yeah, actually you do need the diamond knockout for this. It's got the little diamond for it to fit in so it doesn't slip. Very nice, right there. Different, screwing it in to the left. Go. Don't want to make it too tight, but nice and snug. Okay. Go. There. One thing I really like about this saw is the inscription here for the depth. It's very clear, distinct. The other saw, it's kind of hidden in the back. It works, but this is quick. I don't know if you can see that very well. Yeah, just you can quickly adjust it to whatever depth you want. It's 1.5 inches is right there. Boom, done. Very quick. Yeah, got a nice handle on top, the back. All right, let's give her a test. Here we go. Locked and loaded. All right. It's got some weight to it with the battery, but you get used to that pretty quick. Actually a little bit heavier than this one. Both great saws. Wow, this one sure sounds more powerful. The brake on this one's real good. This one's good too, but this one stops sooner. Hear that? Okay. So, let's see. $5,800 RPM. I'm thinking this one is the same. Yeah, 5,800 RPM. So a DCS578, which I've had for a while, and now the 577. Two awesome saws. All right. Just gonna give it a little test with some cutting here. Like this. Check it out for balance and stuff like that. Sawdust coming out right here. It'll take a little bit of getting used to, but no problem at all. A little bit of a rip here. Let's keep it secure. Adjust the depth to 1.5 inches. Boom, right there. Voila. Very good. All right, let me know what you guys think. Have a good day.